Welcome to learnsl.com. Today we'll see how to install Gpeasy CMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System. It is a software used to manage digital content. Gpeasy CMS is a free open source written in PHP and it is a flat CMS, so does not require any databases. Prerequisites for the CMS are Apache Web Server, PHP and its modules. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. I'm going to download the Gpeasy CMS by using following command. Next, I'm going to unzip the Gpeasy CMS by using unzip command. Next, I'm going to move the Gpeasy CMS to the Apache home directory. Next, I'm going to change the ownership for the GP directory. Next, I'm going to give the writable permission to the GP directory. Next, I'm going to create the virtual host for the GP CMS. I'm giving server name as linuxl1.com. I'm giving document root to the GP. After completely editing this file, press escape, WQ for save and exit from the file. Next, I'm going to disable the default site of the Apache. Next, I'm going to enable the GPCMS. Next, I'm going to enable the rewrite model. Next, I'm going to restart the Apache web server. Next, I'm going to make the host entry for the site. After editing, press escape, WQ for save and exit from the file. Now go to the browser and ping your server name. This was the GPC CMS. Configure the admin credentials. Click install. installed. Now next click view your website. This was the home page of the Gpeasy CMS. This how to install Gpeasy CMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.